TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 224. You get the NASDAQ off 75. S&Ps are down 22. Gold contracts up 22 at 12.58. You get silver up 25 cents, $17 flat. Platinum is up $4, $9.45 an ounce. You get copper down a penny at $2.53 a pound. Light sweet crude up 29 cents, $49.28 a barrel. We're going to have the oil numbers come out at 10:30 today. Notes, 10-year note up 22 ticks, 126.07. 30-year bond up 1.5 points, 153.05. Both notes and bonds, folks, they've been saying it for a long period of time. They want higher price, lower yield. It actually looks like the 10-year is going to do an ABC structure on the way up, which is just pretty amazing in the context that the Fed is supposedly going to be going up on short-term rates on June 14th. We're at 126.07. This little baby has a projection of 128.23. So that is one monster move. King dollar. King dollar's down 393 ticks. King dollar took apart its swing points, took them apart. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. King dollar's making its way down to the 96 area. It looks like it's actually going to trade down to about the 91 area in the next 2 or 3 months. The euro's trading at 111 to the US dollar. The yen is getting smashed, or getting much stronger. That's at 111.5 to the US dollar. We get over and take a look at the SPY. What you have out here is this. You've tested the highs basically 5-6 times since the March 1st high. Couldn't handle it. Yesterday looks like it's going to be probably one of the last tests. We did 51 million, going into 149 million. You're coming off the high, and you're already you're blowing apart the swing point from last week, which is the 11th, and you get volume behind the move. We've already done 19 million shares. We go take a look at the Dow Industrials, what you have with the Dow. Now, the Dow never had made another high. Bottom line is that the Dow Industrials had 4 lower highs and 3 lower lows. Dow Industrials are down 244. Dow's going after 20,379, and right now you're at 20,737. Gold contract caught a bid. Silver caught a bid. Big time, too. You get the wide price spread. You get the volume behind the move. We've already done 221,000 contracts in the gold market. So you're talking about big numbers here. Gold, last high in gold was $1297.60. Gold today, folks, was coming into the downdraft from the 3rd of May. And this is where it had to get volume. And guess what? Not only got it, it got huge volume. 3rd of May, we did 254,000 on the way down. What we have done already is 221. That's saying that gold's going to make the run to 1297. Right now, you're at 1257. Silver also caught the bid. Silver is now in the larger trading range. The range we're talking about is that as soon as it got inside 1692, you're at $17. Silver will start making the run up to this $18 area. Notes and bonds, they continue to be the most consistent and to continue to say this market wants lower price. This note market today is pretty amazing. We've done 1.2 million contracts already. You're at 126.07. The 126.07, by the way, folks, you're already into the lows of the high that was generated on the 18th. That is setting up more than likely an ABC structure on the way up to 128, almost 129. And you talk about bringing the short-term rates down. We're at 2.2 right now, so it's a big number. And King dollar's toast. Get the peanut butter, get the jelly, get the cream cheese, get it all, because King dollar coming down with wide price spread, with volume, all of the above. You're at 97.61 right now. We're talking a 96 King dollar. And more than likely what we're going to have is that you're going to see a 91 King dollar in the next 3-4 months. It's a monster move, folks. That's the bottom line. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.